Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney Martina, and today I'm sharing you a recipe on how to make your grandmama's sweet potato pie. What you want to do is start with some great sweet potatoes, and I am boiling them skin on to make sure all the flavor stays packed inside of the potatoes when I break them down. I also want to give a precursor. Please forgive all the background noise today. Okay, here are some of the ingredients I will be using. A stick of butter. I think I used maybe a stick of butter in 2 pies, and maybe half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of brown sugar, a cup of brown sugar in each pie, something like that, vanilla extract. Here's how my pie concoction looks. It's not as hard as it looks, and pretty much just flavor everything to tasting is what I can basically recommend since I don't measure much. Anyhow, these are some of the baked pie crust. That's the key lime pie, bacon as well in the oven. And forgive my dirty oven, but it was Thanksgiving, so I was preparing a lot. So yes, this is the concoction mixed. Just showing you guys the texture and everything of how it looks when it's all mixed together. Like I said, I have one pie crust or two pie crusts that I made on my own. These are the ones that were store-bought. They were called pie, I forgot. I will stick a picture or something here. But yeah, look how beautiful that looks. So golden and smells great. And I'm going to fill the store-bought pies with some of this. Okay, and the dough was kind of fluffy. Forgive I'm cooking on weird surfaces and I'm doing a lot today, so just forgive what you see and trust that these pies are going to come out great. And I will put actual measurements in the description. I'm not good with like keeping all this stuff in my head. Yeah, so the pie crust that I just previously showed were pie crusts that I made, and these are also the pie crusts that I made after they had been baked and filled. So it was two types of pies basically, but I got great reviews on the pie. So here's the finished product, you guys. It's golden brown, sweet, everything a sweet potato pie should be.